Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can convert USD to USDT in Bybit. For that, go ahead and log into your Bybit account. When you're logged into your Bybit account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, you have to go ahead and select spot. When you select spot, over here you need to go with the buy session, and here you need to enter the exact amount, all of that. On the other field, you'll be asked to select the asset that you wish to buy and with what you are trying to actually convert it. So you could also go to the convert session, or you could just go to the converter from the top, and over here you could just select USDC and to USDD and Bybit. With that, you'll be able to see this information. So go to the one-click page and enter all of that, follow the prompt, and you should be able to convert USD to USDT and Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.